Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I've got another one of these big spoons. I have done one in a snowman. I'm sure that you've seen the video. This one we're going to make into a gingerbread man. So I got this at my local grocery store, and I'm just going to take a brown paint, and I'm going to paint the middle part here. I was only going to do the center, but then I decided that I wanted to do the whole spoon. So after I got done painting the center, I'm going to actually end up painting the whole entire spoon, everything except for that handle at the bottom. I'm very undecided about the handle, whether I want to leave it or if I want to take it off. So I think I might cut down the spoon to cut off the handle. The handle is very long, so it wouldn't matter if I lost a couple of inches off of it to get rid of that rubber handle that came on it. Once I get finished painting all of this, I'm just going to let this dry. And then I am going to take this white chalk pencil and I'm just going to do some squiggly frosting around the outside edge of the spoon. So I'm just kind of drawing that on so that I can paint over it and know exactly where I want to paint. So once I have that all drawn on, I'm just going to take a very thin paintbrush and some white paint and I'm just going to add that frosting. I'm just kind of going around. I'm not too particular about how perfect it comes out. I just want it to be kind of whimsical. So again, just going all the way around the whole spoon with the white. Then once I have that all painted on there, I'm going to take some red and I'm going to use a pouncer brush and put some blush on the cheeks. So some rosy, cute cheeks. Then I'm going to take a paintbrush with some black paint and I'm going to make a mouth. So I just did 2 half circles in the little pink paint and then met those with another half circle. So once I have the mouth all done, I'm going to draw an oval for the nose and then 2 ovals for the eyes. And I'm doing this with a pencil so that I have them nice and even. Once I have those on there, I can start painting them. So I'm going to use that same reddish pink paint that I did for the cheeks on the nose. And I'm just using a embossing tool to put it on the nose. So I'm just using that, dipping it into the red paint and putting it on the nose. And then I'm going to take a small paintbrush in black and do both of the eyes. So just following those lines that I made with the pencil and filling in those eyes. And I think this is turning out so super cute already. Once I have the eyes all filled in and everything is dry, I'm going to take a paintbrush with a small amount of white paint and put a small line on the nose and then 2 white dots in each eye. Once I have those finished, I'm going to take a toothbrush with some white paint and I'm going to splatter white all over the whole spoon. And then finally, I'm going to take this tag and some stamps and I'm just going to stamp out the word yum. Once I have that all stamped out, I am going to take a piece of red and white ticking fabric that has been tea stained. And I'm going to tie that in a knot right around the underneath part of this big spoon, right onto the handle here. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. And then I'm going to take a rusty safety pin and bell, and I'm going to slide it through that, add the tag on, and that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and I absolutely love it. I love it just as much as I loved my snowman spoon, and I hope you will love it just as much too. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.